Hello guys, welcome to the another video of AC Tech channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to get access to photos camera roll on your Instagram. For this you have to, as you can see here is your Instagram icon. You just have to tap it for a time and you can see here are many options available like app info, remove, uninstall or share. You have to click on the first one option of app info, because we have to visit our permission setting. So this setting you can also visit from your setting, but here it is the quick way. So here we can see there is the option of permission. You have to click on this. And you can see I haven't allowed any permission like calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, and storage. So you have to open two settings. First is off your camera. So that while you click picture or add some pictures to your story, your camera permission will be open. And second is your storage, so that their photos in the gallery will be visible on your Instagram. So this is the way to access photo rolls and camera roll in your Instagram. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.